How to earn more than $316.70 playing InboxDollars and Misplay's Coin Chef. If you have not done so, please hit the follow or subscribe button. Coin Chef is a culinary adventure. Build your restaurant empire, master mouth-watering dishes, and compete against chefs from around the world. This is 2 for 1. In other words, you earn twice providing you have signed up to Mistplay and InboxDollars. The links are down below to sign up for both platforms. You will get a $5 bonus from InboxDollars and 200 welcome units from Mistplay. In Mistplay, the longer you play, the more points you gain. You will earn units when you reach checkpoints. Since this game has a multiplier of 1, you will earn approximately 25 units after each checkpoint. 25 units equal about 4,500 points. The highest checkpoint is 21. Of course, you only install Coin Chef once via InboxDollars or Mistplay, but you must sign up to both to maximize income. In InboxDollars, complete level 3 to get 5 cents, complete level 10 to get 5 cents, complete level 20 to get 10 cents, complete level 35 to get 25 cents, complete level 50 to get 75 cents, complete level 80 to get $1.50, complete level 90 within 5 days to get $25, complete level 170 within 12 days to get $75. Now there are continuous level up to level 350. All of that totaling $316.70. Just spin slots for every level to win coins, sabotage, heist, shield, and live events. Win huge loots and build the best restaurant and progress to see world cuisine. There are shields that will guard your restaurant from sabotage from your friends. The main objective is to become the Coin Chef and get the most loot. Let's start with the first spin. The second spins get triple rockets, which give an opportunity to sabotage and win additional coins. There is another opportunity of sabotage and more coins. Because there is a multiplier of 3, the coin winnings are triple, like you see here. I won 325 additional turns. Triple piggies gives additional coin winnings if you chose the right piggy. Oink, oink, oink. I still have a multiplier of 3, therefore my winnings have tripled. If you have not done so, depending if it is YouTube or Rumble, follow or subscribe. Here is another triple piggy spin. When you complete the task, you get extra spins, extra shields, or extra coins. The task to complete is always above the spin. Not only you try to complete the task above, you must completely build Hot Dog King, Toyosu Market, La Patisserie, Central Donut, Nile Market, Demeter's Tavern, Cook Island, Wonderland, Santa's House, and right now I just finished building Demeter's Tavern, which is level 6. I got more coins and more spins, and I have passed checkpoint in Mistplay and completed level 3 in InboxDollars. I have enough coins to build Cook Island. I continue to spin, and I got triple rockets, which led me to bomb someone else's establishment. Danny did not have any shield to protect her buildings, so I got extra coins, 1,600,000. If you get a pig on a globe, you will get 5 spins to have a chance to win experience points, extra coins, and spins. Experience points are used to serve customers, harvest crops, complete orders, level up, and unlock new content. You can make a passive income. Now, you will get rich, but you will be paid. If you completely sign up to InboxDollars, Mistplay, and Scrambly using the links below and play a game, any game you will see. So I am giving you homework. First, subscribe or follow. Second, do the 3 signups. 3. Play a game or games from InboxDollars, Mistplay, and Scrambly. 5. Watch you earnings grow. And 6. Cash out. After playing, I reached level 3 and level 10 in InboxDollars. I reached all checkpoints up to checkpoint 6. That is it, folks. See you on the next video.